Hello everyone, this is James Shore with another test-driven development video. It is March 21st for me still, and I'm picking up where I left off. When I left off, what I was doing was I had just gotten the starting balance to initialize properly. So now we actually have a proper working application. It does everything it's supposed to at this stage of the game, except for perhaps overflow and underflow. And I'm a little bit torn about whether or not I want to put that in. Just because you have to get up to 999 trillion before that's an issue. Let's see. Million, billion. Yeah, I mean, it's a little ridiculous. There's that value is more than I'm ever going to be managing with my personal finances, 9 quintillion. Um, but still, you know, it's sort of a matter of pride to for me to not have bugs in my code, at least not any bugs that I know about. So I think what I'll do is see if I can fix that. So let's go ahead. We've taken care of that. And I don't think we have any to-dos hanging out. Oh, we just did that one, so we're good there. And yeah, this is good. So, well, the Eclipse's automatic reformatting has made this look a lot uglier than it really is. But other than that, so yeah, let's see if we can do the overflow, underflow. In order for me to do that, though, I need to do a little spike. So I'm going to fast forward through this part. I just need to figure out how overflow, underflow works in Java. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I'm back. Well, there's no way to discover a overflow in Java, at least no easy way that I could see. But I did learn something interesting, which is that, you know, the maximum value for a double is something with 308 zeros. It's got an exponent of 308. But our value is obviously much, much smaller than that. And that's because when we convert to a string, we call to absolute value string, which calls round off pennies, which returns a long, because when you call round on a double, it returns a long. And the maximum value of a double is the value that we see right here. So as I was working on this, I was thinking to myself, well, how can I code this without spending a huge amount of time on ridiculous things or doing big decimal or something like that? And what I decided on is something really simple, which is that we can just make a value larger than, say, $100 million illegal. Because this is for my personal finances and because I don't foresee myself making $100 million at any point soon, that will be fine. And with that, we'll play nicely with the invalid dollars code we've already written. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's modify all of these things to simply return an invalid amount. So we've got addition, subtraction. Let's see. let's just I've been using IntelliJ's tools for a while, and they've got a different key binding, so let's see. You know what? I don't think that actually improves things. Let's do this. So addition, subtraction, minus to 0 all need to have overflow protection. Percentage does as well, because if we have a percentage larger than 100. And min we don't have to worry about because either one of those, both of those will be valid. Okay, so let's do this. So what I'm thinking here is I don't really want to expose the double. So yeah, let's go ahead and make that $. And the most we are going to allow is 100 million. Let's see, that's 1,000 million, 100 million. What the heck? Let's make it a round billion, just so I can dream. Okay, so do we have this working yet? Okay. Expected it to be invalid, but it was actually 1,000,000,001. Okay, so that's easily enough fixed. Now we go into plus and we say um, if the result is greater than our max value, then we return new invalid dollars. There we go. And actually, I think we can keep this much cleaner by simply doing that check in the constructor. Oh no, we can't. We can't return a different value from a constructor. Too many languages. So there's going to be a lot of duplication here, just like we have with this is valid. I wish I saw a way to eliminate all this duplication, but I really don't right now. It's getting very ugly in here, but I don't see a better way of doing it. If any of you watching this can think of a better way, I'd love to hear it. Okay, that should fail. Yeah, ugly, ugly. And that should pass. And I believe that takes us to the end of our time. So thanks everybody for watching. Oh, it didn't fail. I'll have to check that next time. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.